As a small creator, I understand how difficult it is to sustain this career. Therefore, you gotta do what you gotta do. Hello, namaskar. Welcome to a brand new series called Brand Collaboration 101, where I share everything I wish I had known before starting getting brand deals. Don't forget to watch the entire series by tapping here, or the link will be down in the description. And let's begin. So, the series come to an end and we have talked about what is a media kit, how to make a media kit, why do you need two media kits, how to reach out to brand, how to find whom to reach out, etc. I hope you enjoyed this series, but I understand that being a small creator is not sustainable yet. So here are few other ways that you can earn money without collaborating with brands. Number one, by creating content for brands. Now, there are so many brands that require content, but they don't want to reach out to an influencer because they don't want to do influencer marketing. Rather, they just want content for their own social media channels. Initially, majority of my earnings were coming from this income source only, where I was not collaborating with brands, but I was creating content for them for their page. It can be video content, it can be photo content, but I would suggest you to go ahead with video content that has more earning potential than photo content. Brands are investing more and more in content creation for their own channel. It can be reels, it can be vertical videos, it can be horizontal videos. Just figure out what you love doing and go ahead and pitch brands. Number two, by managing brand social media. Now, a lot of small businesses do not have the time to manage their social media as well. They have plenty of other things to do on the business aspect. So they always require an intern or a part-time or a freelancer who can manage their social media for them. You can be that freelancer, you can be that part-time because you have the experience of handling your own social media page. So just go ahead, reach out to small businesses or businesses you think are suitable according to your knowledge and just pitch them and earn by handling their social media pages. Number three, editing others' video. Now this can be brands' video, this can be other big creators' video. Figure that out. But video editing is one of the most high-paying skills at this moment. So even if you're just starting out with your video editing skills, brush it up because it is going to be the skill of the future. Number four, affiliate marketing. Now this is not going to get you as quick cash as the other three, but something is better than nothing. And you are already creating content for your social media pages. Why not create content for the things that you already have? And just get an affiliate link maybe from Amazon or Flipkart or any other affiliate platforms that we have, and just promote the content that we actually genuinely love and use. Number five, platform monetization. Now YouTube has Google AdSense that pays you for all the ads that you see on YouTube before playing a video. Instagram has something called Reels Play, which is still not available in India, but I think BOI, the Born on Instagram program, pays you to a certain level. That's something you have to figure out, but I'm sure BOI is available in India. Pinterest has its creators fund, but it's not available in India. Hopefully it will be in the coming future. Facebook page has its monetization feature. TikTok has brought TikTok fund, although TikTok is not available in India. So what I'm trying to say is that there are so many platforms. I believe Roposo, Moj, these are certain platforms that pay you for certain views. I'm also not sure about it. So there are certain platforms that pay you to create content, to upload your content, or the ads that they run. So you just have to figure out which platform is the best for you. Now, if you want to start a YouTube channel, I would be the happiest person. You can check out this playlist to learn everything that I have learned till date about YouTube. So yeah, there are certain platforms that pay you to create content. Obviously, as a small creator, it won't be a huge amount, but again, something is better than nothing. And when it comes to the content creation profession, you have to rely on different sources of income. You cannot just depend on one source of income. Next two things are something that is not for everyone, but if you have developed one skill and you are very good at it, then definitely seeing a video course like this one, it's a course but it's for free. Making a course and selling it for a certain amount is definitely one way to go, or you can directly sell your expertise as services. For example, you can sell your content strategist services, you can sell your social media strategist services, etc. So yeah, that's the end of the series. I hope you enjoyed watching the series. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you have any questions in any of the episodes, you can go there, comment down below, or even comment under this video. If I think that there are many questions that I left unanswered, I'll definitely make a separate video about it. And thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.